10 cooking power levels provide great cooking flexibility. 6 convenient quick cook settings include popcorn, baked potato, pizza, beverage, reheat and frozen dinner. Plenty of power at 700 watts, but a small footprint makes it perfect for a small apartment or studio. With a tempered glass dish on the turntable, 9.5 inches. LED display featuring digital clock that can also be used as convenient kitchen timer. Includes child lock function, a great safety feature. The commercial Chef small countertop microwave provides a compact footprint while boasting up to 700 watts of power. Stainless steel trim with black cabinet provides an easy-to-clean surface and sleek appearance that matches any modern kitchen decor. With 0.7 cubic feet of interior space, this kitchen microwave is perfect for preparing snacks, heating up leftovers and defrosting for food preparation. Add even more cooking variety with 6 one-touch quick cook menu buttons: popcorn, potato, pizza, beverage, reheat frozen food. Push-button door control with child safety lock provides a flat front surface that is easy to open and stays closed. Push-button controls with LED display also include a digital clock and timer for easy simple operation. Start, stop push button helps begin and quickly shuts off the microwave when you need it. The 9.5 tempered glass turntable is removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Turntable automatically rotates contents to provide even cooking throughout and to prevent one side cooking quicker or slower than the other. Defrost by weight according to the food you need, or use the Speed Defrost feature. This setting works by alternating between defrost and stand times to quickly and effectively defrost foods. Compact microwave measures 17.88 W by 12.63 D by 10.13 H.UL listed. Top reviews from the United States. Powerful, nice-sized machine. This microwave is a replacement for the one at work that was probably 20+ years old. Considering the one we have been using had a dial to set the time, I'd say this new one is fantastic and brought us out of the Stone Age. I chose this one after reading a lot of reviews. Some people think the unit moves a little too easily when pushing the buttons. It does a little, but nothing that would make me hate it or return it. Beeping noises, alarm sounds drive me nuts, but this one is not too loud or annoying, yet you can hear it from an adjacent room. I recommend this for a small office shop.